I opened the wallet, grabbed the money, and closed it, just like that. Did you see? Keep a secret? Don't tell anyone.
Where is my money? It was in my wallet.
Mia, you have to be careful with your play. Okay, Leo. I know, Leo. You talk too much. Oh, Mia. Maybe just a little.
Don't spend all your points in one turn. Sometimes, going slowly is the fastest way to win.
I am going to win this time. Look, I bought the biggest house. I won. You lost, Leo. Well done, Mia. You played very well. He is pretending to be nice again. He wants Arthur and Victoria to love him more. I hate that. One day, Mia, you will realize the truth. And on that day, I won't be the one crying. Look at them go! They're growing so fast. Makes you proud. But what did Leo mean by that? They're so busy reading, they don't even notice me here. I think I'll move here. Good job, Mia. That's a clever move. Looks like you're winning. You got the biggest house this time, Mia. That's a great strategy. Thanks, Leo. You played really well, too. Oh, play. Moody Small Stack. Mooney Tomabine Cow. Now. Something's not right. Mia, are you okay? They're so happy.
Yes, they are. They have no idea, do they?
Not yet. Let them enjoy it. I'll move this piece here. Oh no, you got me. Wait, I see something. Haha, I win. All done. That was fun. You know, sometimes seeing others succeed can make us feel a little bit jealous. It's okay to feel that way. Let's see how Mia handles it.
Welcome to my study, Olivia. I think you'll find everything you need here.
Oh, Ethan, this is absolutely perfect. You were right.
I know exactly how to help him remember. All right, just a little further. Quiet as a mouse. I opened the wallet, grabbed the money, and closed it, just like that. Did you see? Keep a secret? Don't tell anyone. Hey, Mia, did you see my backpack?
Yes, here it is, Leo. Good luck with your homework.
I was just playing over here.
Olivia. Where is my money? It was in my wallet. I thought there was enough here. Where did it all go?
Seriously, nothing. Money is missing.
I didn't touch it, Ethan. Maybe the children took it?
Leo! Mia! Come here now!
Oh!
Why didn't you listen? Get out from behind that sofa, Leo!
What happened, Dad? What happened, Dad?
Money is missing. Did you take it?
No, Dad. I was here playing with Mia all morning. Wait, I think I saw Leo near the table earlier.
You did?
He said he wanted to buy a new book. A new book, huh? That might be the key. What? No. Mia, why are you saying that?
Leo, don't lie to me. Olivia, check his bag.
Yes, I heard you. Well, look what we have here. No, wait, that's mine.
Not anymore, dearie.
Look at this.
But
Uh-huh.
But I didn't do anything. Leo, we gave you a home, and you steal from us?
I don't know how that got there. Mother Victoria, please believe me.
I want to believe you, Leo, but it's hard to understand. Leo, the money is in your bag. You should say sorry to your father.
But I didn't do it. Why does nobody listen to me?
Help! Please, help me! Don't leave me! I don't know what to do.
I suppose I must try, even if success seems unlikely.
I really thought you'd be different.
什么 Playing point of Shelly Monita. 978. Yum. Instead. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
I didn't mean to. It wasn't fair. That could be useful. Yes, there it goes! My precious little trinket, shattered! Oh no, it broke!
Mia, tell them Leo did it. No, I can't.
Do it! If you don't, I will tell your father you lost your grandmother's bracelet.
Okay. Okay. I understand, Mom.
Oh no. My vase. It is broken. Who did this?
I saw Leo running out of the room. He looked very nervous. I didn't mean to.
Yes, Uncle Arthur. Leo was playing with a ball and he hit the table.
Okay, Mia. Thank you for telling me.
No problem.
I am here. What is the matter?
Leo, I trusted you. Why did you break my vase and run away?
But Arthur, I didn't break anything, and I didn't run.
I was in the garden for an hour. I didn't even come inside.
Enough. First the money, now this? You are a bad son.
Leo, go to your room. You are punished. No dinner for you tonight. I didn't do it. I didn't do anything. I told you this would happen. Maybe you'll learn your lesson now.
Oh no. How could this happen?
I saw what you did, Leo. How could you?
Leo, don't go. I have to, Victoria. I understand that talking about this can be hard. Take your time, Mia. I'm here to listen.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Mia.
We understand.
I didn't mean to do it. But I should have known better. I didn't mean to break it. I must be very quiet.
Shh. Here I go. Okay, here I go. Leo! Are you awake? Why are you in my room, Mia? I came to see you, silly. I am sorry. I put the money in your bag. And Mother Olivia broke the vase. She told me to blame you.
Wait, what? Mother Olivia?
No, she wouldn't.
Did you hear that?
I heard everything.
What are we gonna do?
We have to help him.
I was jealous. And Olivia, she wants Uncle Arthur to kick you out of the house. She wants the money for herself. Why, Mia? Why did you do this to me? I never wanted to fight with you. I just wanted us to be a family.
You don't have to be afraid anymore, Mia.
We heard everything.
Leo, I am so sorry. I was wrong. I should have trusted you.
Ethan, Olivia, we know the truth about the money and the vase.
I don't know what you are talking about. Stop lying. Mia told us everything. Olivia, you tried to ruin a child's life. This is not acceptable.
Leo, do you want me to kick them out?
No, let's try talking to them instead. Father Arthur, Ethan is still my father, but Olivia needs to learn the truth. I want Mia to stay with us so she can learn to be kind. I'm sorry, Leo. It's okay, Mia. I won't do it again. I forgive you. Oh. Thank you.
But remember, Mia, trust is like a vase. Once it is broken, it is very hard to fix.
Leo, you have a kind heart. From now on, you are safe here.
And you? Do you think Leo should forgive Olivia? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for watching my story. See you next time.
A family's love is a story that never ends. It teaches us what truly matters.
Remember, strategy is key. Move the dragon like this. Oh. If you do that, then you can't capture the king. Try it this way. I have a plan. You're on. We'll see. I'll prove it to you. Oh, we will.
Aren't they wonderful?
They really are.
Yes, I did it.
I recognize this move. That's a clever tactic.
Well played. You win this round. Let's play again soon. Look at this. It's so cool. It's fine, I guess. What do you mean? We can't. How could I know? Mia, stop. Don't touch that. What? Why?
Did you catch that? What was that all about? How did they react? Are they interested? Look, she's doing great. I wonder what the future holds for all of us. But I think it's gonna be something great. Welcome back to the living room. Let's see what we've learned so far.
I trust you with the... I trust you with this.
easy to take out the money I need.
Leo's backpack was right where he left it. Mia had an idea and carefully tucked her savings into his pocket, knowing he would be surprised.
What's wrong, dear?
Leo, what do you wish to happen to them?
I want to let them go.
Leo, I am truly sorry for everything.
It's okay, Mia. I understand.
Thank you, Leo. Remember, trust is fragile, just like a vase. Once it's broken, it leaves marks.
You are truly a remarkable child, Leo. We love you.
What do you think is the best path for Olivia? Share your thoughts.
Thanks for joining me. Until next time.
Loud, sharp, shattering sound.
What can...